dear aviation enthusiasts. This is Professor Avram Aerospace, and good to know in aviation. Today, we are going to continue our discussion about aircraft operational reliability system, and reference document is FAA Advisory Circular AC 120-17, Reliability Program Methods, Standards for Determining Time Limitations. Chapter 5.2, Analysis of Task Effectiveness. Subsection 5.2.2.4.1, the process for selecting a dataset criteria for data sampling.
And here is the short quote from this subsection. Regardless of the method used to determine your sample data requirements, your sampling process must result in confidence that the sample data is applicable and representative of the population. Your data sampling process should consider data provided by outliers within your population, while preventing the possibility that a decision is inappropriately influenced by data from aircraft that are at the extremes of the data set. The following is provided for reference only and is not intended to suggest any single method described herein as the recommended method or formula to determine sample size in every situation. End of the quote. Now, let's see the process for selecting a dataset criteria elements. Number 1. Operational history. 2. Configuration differences. 3. Time elapsed since major conversions or refurbishments. 4. Utilization differences. 5. High time and cycle and low time and cycle aircraft. 6. Seasonality and environmental conditions. 7. Sustained storage periods. And last but not least, number 8, task yield. These are the elements of the process for selecting a dataset criteria for data sampling based on FAA AC 120-17.
Again, thank you very much for watching our videos. Please support us. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Buy our books about aviation reliability, which now available on Amazon.com. We are planning to have a lot of interesting contents on aircraft reliability, aircraft safety, etc. Again, thank you very much for your support. See you next time. Bye.